In this video, I am going to show you how to use Canva AI video generator. So first of all, open up a web browser of your choice and simply search for canva.com. In the official website, you have to log into your account, or if you're new, you very simply have to sign up using your email address. Once you are logged in, what most people do to make videos using AI in Canva is to click on the Canva AI option, which is present in the menu. They use a prompt to create a video. This method won't work as this can only generate images. Like for example, I will now write a prompt in which I will simply type that generate a video of a cat playing with children in a park. Now, as you guys can see, I have written a prompt. So I will very simply click on the generate a button. Now, it will take a few seconds to generate the result. Now, as you guys can see that this is a picture, not a video clip. So everyone, you guys should avoid doing this mistake and follow this video till the end to understand how videos are actually created on Canva. So what you have to do is that you have to come back to your home of the Canva website. Now on your home, you very simply have to click on the video option, which is present right over here. Once you tap on the video option, there are multiple options available here, but I will simply go with the basic video landscape 1920 by 1080 pixels. Once you tap on it, you will be redirected to an entirely new space. Over here, you will see a blank video space and a timeline. So let's start making our AI video. For that, you will have to click on the apps which is present in the menu. In your apps, you very simply have to search for Magic Media. Then select the very first option that comes up. In Magic Media, you will see three options: images, graphics, and videos. You can use Magic Media to create images, graphics, and videos by using a prompt that you enter. The prompt that you're going to use to create a video should be specific. It's a key aspect in creating a video that meets with your requirement. So you need to specify your subject. For example, if it's a cat, you need to specify its color, appearance, or anything that comes to your mind. The scene where your video should take place needs to be specified as well, but I will recommend you to generate the cat and its background separately, so the video can be of better quality and won't contain bugs or glitches. So as for this video, let's simply click on Inspire Me and let Canva create the prompt for us. Now as you can see, the first prompt that was provided by Canva is of tracking shot of employees walking through colorful creative offices slow-mo. But for now, let's click on Inspire again. Now the prompt is that a circular tracking shot around a vinyl record spinning on a turntable with red and purple neon LED rod lighting. For this video, I actually want to create a simple video so it is easy for you guys to understand. So let's click on Inspire again. Now from here, this is actually a very simple and straightforward prompt that was provided by Canva. It says that a drone shot panning over the ocean at sunset, golden natural light. So once you have written the prompt, by keeping in mind the details that I told you guys earlier, you very simply have to click on generate video. Then you should probably wait for 1 to 2 minutes for your video to be generated. So this is the video that Canva has generated for me. It is better than my expectations, I would say, but obviously it will be a bit laggy. So once you have got your video, you very simply have to click on it and it will be redirected to your timeline. Keep this in mind that you will be able to create a video of 4 seconds in a single turn. You won't be able to create more than 4-second videos, so you should be using multiple videos to achieve what you actually want in your video. But obviously, you will have to keep this limit in your mind as you will only be granted 5 credits monthly and you have to use them carefully. These credit means that you will be able to create 5 videos in a month. After that, you will be out of credits and you won't be able to create any more videos unless you have upgraded to the pro version of Canva. So now back to the video, I will simply adjust it according to my video frame. So you guys can copy what I'm doing, and now as you guys can see, the video is created and is presented on my blank video section. So for example, you created 2-3 videos and want to combine them all to make a complete video. You will have to click on uploads, which is present in your menu. In uploads, you have to come to the video section, and over here you will be able to see all of the videos that you generated using the Canva AI. Now you can very easily drag and drop these videos on your timeline to create the video that you desire. So you can use these videos now however you want to create your desired videos from AI in Canva. So everyone, this is how you can create videos by using the Canva AI video generator. That's pretty much all for today's video. Consider subscribing to our channel for more informative videos in the future. Until then, stay safe.